Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your ClickUp Personal API token. This token is essential if you want to integrate ClickUp with other tools or automate your workflow through third-party applications. It's a secure way to connect your ClickUp data with external platforms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to generate the API token, as this token will be tied specifically to that account and its permissions. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which typically displays your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left side panel. This panel contains different categories for managing your account preferences and configurations. Find and click on Apps. This section is where ClickUp allows you to manage integrations and access important developer tools like your API token. Now that you're in the Apps section, you'll be able to see a field labeled API token. This is exactly what we've been looking for. You have two options here. You can simply click to copy the existing token if one has already been generated for your account. Alternatively, if you want to create a new token for security reasons, or if this is your first time accessing it, you can click Regenerate. Keep in mind that regenerating your token will invalidate any previous token, so if you've used the old token in any integrations, you'll need to update those connections with the new one. And there you have it. You now have your ClickUp Personal API token ready to use for integrations and automations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.